I'm hearing beautiful and sweet. Ooh, beautiful. The first thing that came sa aking mind, no, maybe this is a very attractive person. Baka good looking siya. Yung physical appearance niya, baka natural born beauty siya. Handsome talaga, beautiful. And this person might be also someone who is romantic, who is sweet, showing a lot of sweet gestures, no, showing a lot of, what's that? Yung magpapakilig ng damdamin or ng puso ng isang person, no? So, wow, we've got someone here who is beautiful or attractive physically and at the same time, very sweet. Wow. So, let's see. Oh yeah, tuloy-tuloy at sunod-sunod dito with this Eight of Wands energy right here, no? So, wow. I do see na kung sino man tong energy na to, no? Maaaring makatanggap kayo or nakakatanggap kayo rito, no, ng sunod-sunod na pagpapakita ng kanya ritong intensyon sa inyo. And for some reason, nabavibe ko nito ay isang positibong intensyon, malinis at puro. Yan. So, ano nga bang klaseng intensyon nito? May gusto ba siya sa'yo? O mahal ka na ba niya? Yan ang ating aalamin. Okay. So, let's see. Okay, let's go ahead and check these messages here for you, collective. Oh, okay. So, I'm seeing partnership right here. Maaring nakakita ka or siya ng a lot of number 6, a lot of angel number 666 or spiritual number 6. Yeah, no, could be everywhere. Yeah. But if not, okay lang yan. You could be also seeing right here a lot of spiritual number 7 or angel number 77. But with that number 6 and number 7, ibig sabihin, no, consistent itong energy na to. Oh, we have here this Two of Cups energy na may parosas pa rito. Wow. I do see two people from here and I'm seeing someone here being consistent with you. Yan. So, ilatag na muna natin lahat. Oh! Nagpakita sa atin ng Empress energy. So, that's nice. That's nice. Okay. So before we start, let me just greet everybody. Hi and hello there, new subscribers. Ako po si Yan. Welcome. At sa mga returning subscribers, thank you so much for the warm love and support na binibigay niyo po sa akin. So, wala po tayo dito gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome here. Of course, you can flip roles if you want. You can do that since this is general reading. And at the end of the day, always have your free will. Malaya kayo to use that. Someone here. I think this is your first date era. Okay? So, I do see someone here connecting with you. Fresh na fresh ang inyong connection. Baka recently, nyo lang siya sinagot or recently ka lang niya sinagot. Wala tayong gender dito. But, someone here could be asking in a very shy tone, no? However this individual is, I think this person here is asking, masyado ba ako mabilis? Yan, no? So, we have here this Eight of Wands energy, Page of Wands right here. I do see that if age is present here, I think this person here is somewhat meron kayong age gap. Might be a little bit, no? Pero, hindi halata. Yan. Paano hindi halata, miss yan? Wala sa itsura ninyo. Yan, no? For some reason, I'm seeing you connecting here born 1980s or 1990 1990s. Just take how this resonates, but I'm picking up that specifically. That's why I mentioned. Okay? But you could be dealing with any zodiac sign or with any year kung kailan mo siya pinanganak, okay? Just, it's just that I'm seeing someone here being consistent in showing and expressing you with the Page of Wands energy, his emotions and feelings. Passion is being shown right here. A lot of love coming from this person here. A lot of desire to be always be with you, a lot of fast forward movements to show you that he or she cares for you all the time. So, ibig sabihin, this person here keeps on texting you, chatting you, even though he or she is working or doing something here. It doesn't matter if it's high priority or important, yan, no? So, this person always makes sure to be always consistent here with you. And this person here definitely likes and loves you. So, kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to, I'm seeing partnership from this person here 'no, tsaka ikaw siguro may mahinhin ka but doesn't have to be. I do see that this is you, posibleng nabibilisan ka rito 'no or posibleng, ito yung klase ng energy na parang nagugulat ka kasi parang ito yung first time mo na maka-receive ng ganitong klase ng atensyon 'no. Someone here treats you really special and this is you, you are really shocked right here, you are really surprised. Why is this person here giving too much attention to me? Ngayon ko lang na-experience ang ganitong feeling na sobrang pahalagahan ako ng isang person, sobrang pinapakita niya sa akin that he or she cares for me. Maybe this person here is hatid sundo ka niya kahit na magkalayo pa ang inyong office, no, or pinagtatrabahuhan, or whatever the case may be. I'm saying this person here showing a lot of effort. And this person here doesn't mind kung mag-go extra mile man siya dito sa efforts niya sa'yo. The Six of Wands energy, I'm willing to give everything with my person. And this person's person is walang iba, kundi ikaw. And taray, no? So this person here feels like that your connection is somewhat special, that you also make him or her feel like na special siya because sinagot mo siya or tinanggap mo siya. Wala tayo dito gender ha, pwede magkapalit-palit dito yung energies, okay? But I do see someone here, no? Pwedeng nagiging mabilis siya rito, like bago-bago pa lang ito, no? But this person here already hold your hand, no? Siguro nung una ganito lang yung pag-hold niyo ng hand, no? Pero ngayon ganito na. May improvement. So, ibig sabihin, no, posibleng mabilis yung nagiging pangyayari rito, no? Pero I do see that this person right here holds a lot of respect sa'yo. Okay. So, hindi ko naman nakikita rito, no, na magkakaroon rito ng pangyayari kung saan, alam mo na magsasalo kayo sa isang passionate night or whatever, no? Especially if this is a new connection right here, like hindi, no? But this person here is somewhat na parang hahawakan niya yung kamay mo since you are in a relationship already. Yes, you will be in a relationship with this person here, but I'm also picking up energies right here of people na posibleng single kayo ngayon, pero paparating pa lamang ito very pretty soon. So, kung sino man tong individual na to, this person holds a lot of respect sa'yo and maaring mabibilisan ka sa mga pangyayari with this person here, pero I'm not seeing you in a type of situation wherein magiging hindi ka komportable kagaya nung passionate night that we're talking about, like wala pang ganun, no? Kasi may respeto siya sa'yo rito, but probably I'm seeing yung mga gestures ng mga bagong relationships kagaya ng holding hands, akbayin ka niya, aalalayan ka niya habang tumatawid kayo, no, sa pedestrian, no, or this person here will carry your things kung mabigat man yan, or this person here will be always right by your side, no? This person will hug you, kiss you sa yung forehead right here, or even sa lips mo. Pero this person here will not do yung bagay na yon agad-agad, no? Yung passionate night na yon, no, na pagsasaluhan, whatever. Kasi this person here is someone na malaki yung kanya ritong respect sa'yo. So, hindi ko nakikita yung gano'n, pero maaaring maisip niya rito kasi maaaring, maano ka kasi parang matitigilan ka rito, parang mag-iiba yung reaction mo rito 'no, kasi nga, you get butterflies, no? Anong ibig sabihin nun, no? Idiomatic expression yun. You get butterflies, ibig sabihin kinikilig ka. At pag kinikilig ka minsan parang hindi ka na makagalaw diyan. Kasi mabilis yung pagtibok ng puso mo, no? Pero whatever the case may be, I'm seeing that this is you, you will be shocked and surprised, no? Na parang, yung na-experience mo sa love before, no? Parang, um, walang ganun ka-excited, no? Na hawakan yung kamay mo, no? Parang, walang ganun ka-clingy na ex mo na parang, nandiyan na tas lagi kang hinahag, no? Like yung comfort hindi mo pa yun na-experience ever. Iba yung level ng comfort dito. Oh, parang 'yan. Hindi pa ako endorser ng Uratex 'no, pero narinig ko yun 'no. So, ibig sabihin mga babes 'no, this is something here na na alam mo yung iba yung lambot, iba yung tibay ng Uratex, yung mga so, baka may Uratex diyan, yun ang gamit ninyo ng tulugan or hinihigaan ninyo, 'yan, 'no. So, whatever the case may be, baka yun ang foam ninyo sa bahay. Pero, the Uratex 'no, is we do all know the very trusted na brand and it gives a lot of comfort, 'di ba? So, you feel na parang special ka at nako-comfort ka nitong person na 'to. 'No, in all aspects here, 'yan. So, kaya niya rito mo matatanong kung masyado ka bang nabibilisan sa mga bagay-bagay kasi yung itsura mo 'no, is parang you feel a little awkward, but then at the same time, you get a lot of kilig or you get a lot of butterflies in your stomach, and this is you. You just can't believe that this person is really showing you everything na minsan mo lang na hiniling sa isang relationship. So I'm seeing that your single era is about to end because you are about to connect at yung iba, ito na nga yung first date era ninyo, no? Yung ito na nga yun mga babes, no? Nagkakaroon na kayo rito ng strong connection or strong bond with this person here. Miss yan, natatakot ako. Baka 'pag nag-give in ako sa ganyan, masyado siyang sweet, masyado siyang sa'king protective, masyado siyang nagpapakita ng concern and care niya sa'kin. Baka mamaya right at the middle of this connection bigla siyang mag-lie-low, 'yan 'no. Bigla siyang mag-low-key rito, 'yan 'no. Well, hindi ko nakikita 'yun because I'm seeing a lot of consistency sa kanya ritong energy. And even magkaroon pa kayo rito ng mas matagal at long-term commitment, which is 'yun naman yung nakikita ko rito. I'm seeing that this person here will not probably, ah, disappoint you. Hindi niya gagawin na ma-disappoint ka rito. So, magiging consistent pa rin itong tao na 'to 'no, kahit na tumagal at mas maging matagal pa ang inyong connection. Kaya kung sino man siya, this person will continue to invest a lot dito sa inyong connection. Chariot card energy, Seven of Coins energy, and there's this Two of Cups. So, I do see that whoever this individual is, okay, hindi ko nakikita na magsasawa ito sa pagpapakita sa'yo ng kanyang affection, love, and passion for you. So, I do see that this person here is seeing you as someone na gusto niya talaga na na paglaanan ng oras, 'no? Kasi alam niya na 'pag nilaan niya yun sa'yo, hindi masasayang. 'Yan. Alam mo may parang diin 'no, doon sa parte na yun na sinabi ko. Kasi parang pino-point out nitong energy na 'to 'no, na parang nasayang yung kanyang oras sa mga naka-deal niya before 'no. Bago ka niya naging ka-in relationship, posibleng dumaan na rin siya sa mga relationships 'no, with his or her past lovers or exes 'no. Pero maaaring nasayang or parang na-realize niya na nasayang yung time niya with those people na naka-deal niya, 'no? And this person is now evaluating or assessing this connection here with you as somewhat worth it ng kanyang time, effort, and love. So, nakikita niya rito na hindi mo sinasayang ang kanya ritong effort but you keep on showing here. Even though you're a little bit shy around this person here, I do see that this person here loves your presence and nararamdaman niya rito that you are also serious in making this changes right here in your relationship. Mag-e-evolve pa po with the Hierophant energy ang inyong connection ng maganda nitong person na to, kung sino man ito. No? At meron talaga kayo ritong magiging bond na mafo-form na talagang matatawag ninyong legacy or strong foundation 'no. So, magkakaroon ng tuloy-tuloy rito 'no na na pagpapakita ng emotions and feelings 'no, tsaka yung shyness ninyo unti-unting mawawala rito 'no. So, this person here na maaaring magulat ka lamang 'no, kasi yung iba sa kanila talaga 'no is very passionate for you, very caring 'no, and they don't mind kung may makakitang iba, and so what, 'di ba? They're just showing you that they care for you, no? They don't mind if you go in public holding your hands. They don't mind if you need them, no? Kung sakali man na parang umiiyak kayo dyan sa kalye, no? This person do not mind, no? Kung ihahag ka nila, no? Tas maraming tao, no? Eh, ano naman, kailangan ka niya, I mean, kailangan mo siya sa time na yon, no? And this person here knows that, na kailangan mo siya. And even though there are a lot of eyes watching 'no, ano naman, 'di ba? Ang importante yung magiging feelings mo. Ang importante yung maibsan yung nararamdaman mong pain or matulungan ka niya, okey? And if other people right here will tell a lot of opinion, feedbacks 'no, at kung ano-ano pa man 'yan 'no, na mga tingin ng ibang tao 'no, this person clearly do not mind that. What's important for this person is your situation na magkaroon ng, um, ng pagkagaan ng emosyon mo. Yun ang pinakaimportante para sa kanya, 'no? So, I like this person kasi yung iba sa kanila puwedeng mas bata sa inyo pero nagpapakita ng mature vibes. So, I think this person here really values you, really values this connection, and alam mo parang sinasabi niya sa'kin dito na siya yung klase ng energy na hindi siya mabilis magsawa 'no, lalo na kung naibabalik yung kanya ritong love 'no. So, nakikita ko dito na ito yung klase ng energy na hindi magsasawa sa'yo. Kasi I think siya yung unang nagkagusto sa'yo, eh. Regardless kung sinong unang umamin dito or whatever, hindi yun importante. Pero nakikita ko ritong malinaw na siya yung unang nagkagusto sa'yo rito. This person really fell hard in love sa inyo. So, nakikita ko dito that this person here, magtatagal kayong dalawa, eh, and eto nga 'no, nagkakaroon dito ng mabilis na parang pagpapakita ng emotions and feelings, sunod-sunod kasi 'no. Sunod-sunod na kilig moments at mga gestures, actions of love ang isho-show sa inyo ng person na ito 'no. Kaya papatanong siya sa'yo rito na parang masyado ba daw siya nagiging mabilis, maybe this person here nagulat ka kasi bigla ka niyang kinis 'no, after niyang ihatid ka sa house ninyo 'no, bigla ka na lang niyang kinis 'no, and then whatever the case may be, this person here also values what you think, yan 'no. Yung parang sabihin mo sa'kin kung feeling mo nabibilisan ka, parang okey lang ba na i-kiss kita bago ako umalis, or okey lang ba to do this, yung i-hug ka bago ko umuwi, yan. Oh, okey lang ba? Masyado ka ba nabibilisan? Yan. So see, this person here is somewhat giving me the vibe of gentleman and gentlewoman pa rin 'no, around his or her woman or his or her man. At sino pa nga ba yung tinutukoy ko? Walang iba kundi tan tararan, ikaw. May iba pa ba dito? Ikaw, 'di ba? So yeah, enjoy this person's company right here. This is the start of your dating era. So nakita ko 'no, na meron pa ritong awkward na parang 'pag nahuhuli mo siyang nakatingin sa'yo, may paghiya pa na parang papatingin ka pa sa baba or sa iba pang mga sides 'no. Pero this is somewhat here, part of that love 'no, nakakakilig na part ng love. So enjoy this moment with this person here. For a lot of my singles out there, this is something here, you will be in a relationship pretty soon with this new guy or new girl right here coming into your life. And for others of you, this is already beginning, nag-i-start na ito, and you are now in a relationship officially with this person, your woman, your man. So yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here. Please do check out other channel. The link is down sa ating description box. Just take how this resonates. Muli ako po si Yan. Thank you, Sarang Heyo, Love and Light. Annyeong.